My name is Adrienne, and today I'm here to teach about the summer solstice. So we're going to have a circle together, and the summer solstice is such a powerful time. It's in this hemisphere, it's the day that has the longest amount of light. So we're working with the energy of the sun, and in ancient times alchemists would use the power of transmutation, and this is a great time to transmute our darkness into light. So we'll have a circle, we're going to do meditation, we're going to do amazing breath work, partner work, some movement, and we're going to transmute our energy into light. I've learned a lot of this work through Naam Yoga, and Naam Yoga deals with breath, movement, exercise, and really tapping into the creative power of the universe. You know, we are universal, so moving with the universal laws so that we can flow with life rather than going against it. My favorite part of teaching is seeing the faces and the transformation after consistent practice. I think when there's consistency, when there's discipline, and you can see a transformation happen, it's the most life exhilarating thing in the planet. You're changing a bad situation or something that you don't want into something even better. And when my students can experience that love and that joy and that transformation, it's really inspiring and gives me so much life.